what we got going on is we've got a pre-manufactured home. It's 2 units in one. So you got it split down the middle, and one side's got no air, and the other one has airflow coming out. We got a package unit in the back, and we'll see what's going on for the underneath. Crawl space has got one return and one supply, splitting off into two for each separate side. It goes straight down the middle. See what's going on with it. Bathroom. Check this out. Guess they capped that off. Look at that. Just cold air blowing on there. Unit is over there. Man. No wonder why the floors are soft over here. There's a can of yogurt in there. The shit you find, I tell you.
How would a can of yogurt get that far in there?
Right? I think that's the issue.